Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by consolidating the files you need. Import your highest quality frames or bracketed shots into Capcut now. Choose full resolution media so highlights and shadows retain detail. This matters because HDR relies on combining ranges. Once imported, create a new track stack and place exposures in chronological order. Make sure you keep an original copy aside. You will need it for comparisons. Now open the color tools. We begin merging tonal ranges rather than simply boosting contrast. You align and stack exposures so corresponding details overlap. Use the transform position and scale controls for pixel-perfect registration. Once aligned, change blend modes to add or lighten on upper layers and drop opacity until midtones balance. This merges luminance ranges. Then, add a curves node. Lift shadows and pull down extreme highlights to compress dynamic range. Use HSL selectively to desaturate clipped colors. This preserves natural color while keeping the image readable across bright and dark areas. You finish by refining local artifacts. Create masks to paint out halos or overblown edges where blend created seams. Once done, apply subtle global sharpening and set a modest contrast lift. This gives perceived HDR pop without clipping. Make sure to preview on an HDR-capable monitor or device and adjust white point and exposure accordingly. Finally, export in a 10-bit or HDR format if colors look off. Reduce global saturations slightly and re-export. Troubleshooting tip: if banding appears, enable dither or increase bit depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.